When it comes to our cellular batteries producing energy, most of that comes from the foods that we eat. Now, if we examine what people are eating for breakfast and for lunch and for dinner, what we're finding out is that the foods are so deficient in these key mitochondrial nutrients that we're literally losing energy every time we eat. Let me give you an example. If we pull into a fast food restaurant, eat a double cheeseburger, fry, and soda, your body has to give up a lot of energy and work to break down that food. What are we getting back for all that work? Does that food contain really these mitochondrial nutrients that our cells need to produce energy? No, they don't, very little. So you can't eat chocolate Cocoa Puffs for breakfast and expect to get a rich source of these mitochondrial nutrients. So really, people are wearing their bodies out every time they eat processed food. Our energy levels just keep going down, and going down. And so really today we have to supplement our diet with supplements that contain a rich source of mitochondrial nutrients. And that's why I highly recommend these alpha polysaccharide peptides from brown and purple rice.